Smart home and consumer electronics.
Smart thermostats. Companies like Nest offers thermostats that can be controlled remotely, saving energy and providing convenience. Connected appliances. IoT enables refrigerators, oven, and washing machines to communicate and to be controlled via smartphones.
Healthcare.
Remote patient monitoring. IoT devices help in monitoring vital signs and health conditions remotely, which is especially important for elder or chronically ill patients. Smartwatches and fitness trackers track health metrics and other health insights.
Manufacturing and industrial IoT.
Predictive maintenance. IoT sensors can monitor reducing downtime. Supply chain management. IoT can help track goods and monitor temperature.
Agriculture.
Precision agriculture. IoT devices monitor soil conditions, weather, and crop health to optimize farming practices. Livestock monitoring. IoT helps track the health and location of livestock.
Energy and utilities.
Smart grids. IoT enhances the efficiency and reliability of energy distribution. Water management. IoT sensors detect leaks and optimize water usage.
Retail.
Inventory management. IoT sensors help retailers track stock levels, reducing out of stock situation. Customer experiences. Retailers use IoT for personalized shopping experiences through beacons and smart displays.
Transportation and logistics.
Fleet management. Smart building management. IoT enables efficient building automation, including lighting, heating, and security. Construction site monitoring. IoT helps manage equipment and monitor safety.
Environmental monitoring.
IoT sensors measures air quality and help mitigate pollution. Weather forecasting. IoT contributes to improved weather forecasting through data collection.